Hey honey, I made you a homemade microwave burger.
Never dies. Bet your ass.
Alright, so I'm going to give you all a quick grill tip. This is my grilling area, my outside. And yeah, thought I'd show you all just a quick little tip. After you're done grilling, you know, obviously we want to clean the grill, but I'm going to show you all an awesome way to clean the grill. So my little quick tip for today, gentlemen. So we're going to scrub the grill, it's all turned off. Get this all clean as much as possible, okay? Alright, so it's getting clean, right? Looking good, right? Go give y'all a quick little secret. Turn off all these, the plumbed-in grill. Alright, this is getting clean. A lot of people might know this trick, a lot of people might not. So you want to get that grill clean? Here's my tip. Alright, get up here, blah blah blah. Onion. Onion cleans a grill, okay? Look at that. Look where that's going. Cleans the grill. So just grab an onion, wipe your grill down with it. Gets the grills nice and clean. Okay? There you go. There's my tip for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little smart-ass video I did today. Big thanks to It's Lee for the inspiration. And check out the link below for the guy who's let me use his beats. He's fucking awesome. So once again, thanks for everybody watching. Here's a quick grill tip, okay? And enjoy it. There you go. That's what your grill, the onion will look like. And yeah, just enjoying a Memorial Day little cookout. There you go, guys. Adios.